Good evening all. This is 4:30 in the afternoon and we are in Mumbai, this part of the world. We have 28 states and out of that Maharashtra is the one state where this conference is being held. We have societies of each state and some union territories. We got independence in 1947 and Bombay Orthopaedic Society was formed in 1965 by these stalwarts. The first president was Dr. R.J. Katrak and the secretary was Dr. Ellen Vora. Annual Conference of Western India Regional Orthopedic Conference is WIROC. This is the annual conference of our society. So the first WIROC, that is the annual conference of Bombay Orthopaedic Society, was held in November 1966. The meeting was spread over 2 days and today we have 56th annual conference of Bombay Orthopaedic Society which has started today. Most of us cannot go abroad for your higher education and over the years, over the decades, we have been trained by these senior stalwarts. One of them is the father of orthopedics, Dr. K.T. Dholakia. And we have a lot of academic events like clinical meetings which are packed. We have seniors who are constantly guiding us and we have innovations like Make in India themes wherein we innovate particular surgery or implant and we are carrying out with difficult surgeries in the circumstances which we have here. Ingenious innovations are constantly being taken by all our members, providing online teaching and learning opportunities. We have instructional courses which go round the clock throughout the year and we also have non-academic teaching which includes various aspects of individual personality, cumulative co-op, collaboration and interaction with the local medical bodies. We setting up partnership with meeting of academic bodies, collating with regional bodies to set up workshops, pro bono camps, awareness program for the general mass and awareness for the general public during the course, during our annual foundation day, during the state annual day. And we have set up a culture of excellence through these conferences, meetings which are held throughout the year. Our 50th celebration was held in 2015 and now we have over 2,700 members across the India and we have feast of academics running throughout the year, specialty courses, meetings, outreach program, PG training going on throughout the year. So this is Bombay Orthopaedic Society, our Bombay Orthopaedic Society, and we are in the annual conference of this meeting. So with this, I hand over the mic to Dr. Shushruth Babulkar. Thank you.